In this video, how to hire on LinkedIn. I will show you step-by-step how to hire on LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the top menu of the platform. Now, click the option called Jobs. Inside the Jobs page, click Post a Job. Now, enter the details of the job opening. Type the job title you want to hire for. Enter the job location. Choose whether the job is remote, on-site, or hybrid. Now, add a detailed job description. Explain the responsibilities of the role. Include the skills required for the candidate. Add the qualifications and requirements needed. After that, review all the job information. Click Continue to proceed. Choose the job posting type. You can select a free or sponsored job listing. Now click Post Job to publish the position. After posting, candidates can submit applications. You can review the profiles of interested candidates, contact the most qualified applicants. This is how you can hire people using LinkedIn.